Hello. Welcome to our playthrough of Ace Attorney. I have with me my friends.
Howdy. Howdy, my name is JSA King. But you can call me JLAT for short.
And
I'm John.
we're going through a no spoilers playthrough of Ace Attorney.
What do you mean no spoilers?
As in, we won't be spoiling anything while we play the game.
Shrek dies in the end.
Spoiling like this part was removed.
Like, spoiling, like, who the killer is. Unless the game does it.
The killer was redacted.
It's a bloody statue.
Damn it! Why me? I can't get caught. Oh boy! I sure hope nobody witnessed my murder. I've gotta find someone to pin this on. Someone like him. Oh yeah. I'll make it look like he did it. August 3rd, 9:47 a.m.
Ah, yes. 7:47
Congratulations, you fucked it
p.m.
up already.
District Court, defendant lobby number 2.
Boy, am I nervous.
Right.
Oh, hiya, Chief.
Wait, I'm glad I made it on time. Well, I have to say, Phoenix, I'm impressed. Not everyone takes on a murder trial right off the bat like this. I say it says a lot about you and your client as well.
Thanks. Actually, it's because I owe him a favor.
A favor? You mean you knew the defendant before this case?
Yeah, actually, I kind of owe my current job to him. He's one of the reasons I became an attorney.
Well, that's news to me.
I want to help him out any way I can. I just really want to help him. I owe him that much.
So it's over, Anakin!
It's over! My life, everything, it's all over! What? Isn't that your client screaming over there?
Indeed it was.
Yeah, that's him.
Death! Despair! Oh!
Put a sock in it!
I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna die!
Put down the gun!
It sounds like he wants to die.
Alright.
Yeah. Hey! Hey there, Larry.
Dude, I'm so guilty. Tell them I'm guilty. Give me the death sentence. I ain't afraid to die.
Come on,
My
you
life's
don't
not
really
worth living
believe
anymore.
me, do you? What's wrong, Larry?
Oh, it's all over. I'm finished.
The trial hasn't even started yet.
I can't live in a world without her. I can't.
Wait, who's this lady?
Who took her away from me, Nick? Who did this? Oh, Nick, you gotta tell me. Who took my baby away?
The person responsible for your girlfriend's death. The newspapers say it was you. Also, how do your eyes sparkle when you cry like that, and then your pupils become your entire eye socket? My name is Phoenix
Look at
Wright.
that. We got a special guest with us. Hello, Sid.
I'm sorry, am I interrupting something?
We're recording.
You actually are.
Greetings. Great you.
Here's the story.
And
My first case is a fairly simple one. A young woman was killed in her apartment. If you want to stick around, Sid, you can.
I am.
The guy they
Anyways, Sid,
arrested was the unlucky sap dating her.
To catch you up, Sid, what we're doing, we're going through the first Ace Attorney game.
Larry
And no
Buck,
spoilers.
my best
It's
friend
not?
since grade school. Our school had a saying, when something smells, it's usually the butts. In the 23 years
he's
I've
not
known
wrong.
him, it's usually been true. And every time he cries, his pupils just balloon fill his
23
entire
years.
eye socket.
23 years.
Phoenix, why do my eyes sparkle like a hot anime?
Wait a
girl?
minute.
Why?
I'm 24 years old. I've known him for I've known him since I was 1 year old. Are you kidding me?
We childhood friends, Phoenix, old buddy, old
He has a
childhood
knack
pal.
for getting himself
I
in
doubt to
trouble.
believe that he's known him for 23 years.
One thing I can say though, it's usually not his fault. He just has terrible luck. But I know better than anyone that he's a good guy at heart. Hopefully. That night I owe him
Hopefully.
one, which is why I took the case.
Hopefully.
To clear his name. And that's just what I'm going to do.
August 3rd, 10 a.m. District Court, courtroom number 2.
The court is now in session for the trial of Mr. Larry Butts. The prosecution is ready, Your Honor.
The, defense is ready, Your Honor.
Ahem. Mr. Wright, this is your first trial, is it not?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm, a little nervous.
Your conduct during the trial will decide the fate of your client. Murder is a serious charge. For your client's sake, I hope you can control your nerves.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Wright, given the circumstances, I think we should have a test to ascertain your readiness.
Yes, Your Honor. Hands shaking, eyesight fading, palms sweaty, knees weak, Bob spaghetti.
These are just knockoff ways to lose yourself.
The test will consist of a few simple questions. Answer them clearly and concisely.
Wait, Your Honor, I already took my bar exam. I don't need to do this.
Shut up! Please state the name of the defendant in this case.
Larry Butts.
The defendant, well, that's Larry Butts, Your Honor.
Correct. Just keep your wits about you and you'll do fine. Next question. This is a murder trial. Tell me, what's the victim's name?
Phew. I know this one. Glad I read the case report cover to cover so many times. It's... wait... shit. No way, I forgot! Drawing a total
You wanna
blank
talk?
here.
You want to talk about luck here?
Phoenix, are you absolutely sure you're up to this? You don't even know the victim's name.
Why her eyes?
Oh, the victim. Of course I know the victim's name. I, just forgot. Temporarily.
Oh, good grief. I think I feel a migraine coming on. Look, the defendant's name is listed in the court record. Just touch the court record button to check it at any time, okay?
Oh wow, it's crazy. They have this court record button just on the desk here that I can click. Whoa! I can just pull up copies of autopsy reports. Alright. Cindy Stone. The victim.
How old is Cindy?
22.
Remember to check it often. Do it for me, please. I'm begging you.
Let's hear your answer. Who is the victim in this case?
The victim is, of course, Mia. You know what? I know what the actual answer is, but Cinderblock.
I'm serious!
Wasn't it Miss Block? Miss Cinderblock?
The
Cinderblock.
person in question was a victim of murder, not ill-conceived naming, Mr. Wright.
Right. If you forget something, just touch the court record button to help you remember.
Mia, I did touch the court record button. It said Cinderblock. It said it in green crayon.
A mistake in court could cost you the case.
I'll ask you again. Let's hear your answer. Who is the victim in this case?
Cinderblock!
Oh!
The victim's name is Cindy Stone.
Correct. Now tell me, what was the cause of death? She died because she was...
Poisoned!
No.
Nah, I can't think of any funny options, so we'll just go with that.
Strangled.
She was struck
She
once
died because she hit a blow.
by a blunt object.
Correct. You've answered all my questions. I see no reason why we shouldn't proceed. You seem much more relaxed, Mr. Wright. Good for you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Because I don't feel relaxed. That's for sure.
Well then. First, a question for the prosecution. Mr. Payne? Yeah, Your Honor. As Mr. Wright just told us, the victim was struck with a blunt object. Would you explain to the court just what that object was?
The murder weapon was the statue of the thinker. It was found lying on the floor next to the victim.
I see. The court accepts it into evidence. Say, is it me or everything seems a bit slower? Right?
Be sure to pay attention to any evidence added during the trial. That evidence is the only ammunition you have in court.
I also have this pistol.
Phoenix! Why would you bring a pistol to court? I am holding you in contempt of court for this!
Wait, it was a fake pistol, Your Honor. It's a water gun.
You know I'm allergic to water!
Wait. Your Honor, I barely know anything about you. Why would I think you were allergic to water?
I have a
Imagine
serious
the
allergy to
judge just
water.
being allergic to water and just like, drink. I'm dying.
Anyway, enough about my water allergies. Mr. Payne, the prosecution may call its first witness.
The prosecution called the defendant, Mr. Brought to the stand.
Chief, what do I do now?
Pay attention. You don't want to miss any information that might help your client's case. You'll get your chance to respond to the prosecution later, so be ready. Let's just hope he doesn't say anything unfortunate.
Uh-oh. Larry gets excited easily. This could be bad.
Maybe.
Mr. Butts, is it not true that the victim had recently dumped you?
Mr. Payne, are you okay? You were coughing for like a minute.
I'm sorry, I just had something stuck in my throat. Hey, what's up, buddy? We were great together. We were Romeo and Juliet, Cleopatra and Mark Antony.
What nobody knew, including Mr. Payne, is that Mr. Payne had lung cancer.
Didn't everybody in those books die?
I wasn't dumped. She just wasn't taking my phone calls. Or seeing me. Ever. What's it to you anyway? Mr. Butts, what you describe is generally what we mean by dumped. Trust me, I was dumped by my sixth wife earlier.
Sixth
She
wife?
had completely abandoned you and was seeing other men. She had just returned from overseas with one of them the day before the murder. What do you mean, one of them? Lies, all of it, lies! I don't believe a word of it! Your Honor, the victim's passport. According to this, she was in Paris until the day before she died.
Passport added to the court record.
We just got a letter.
Indeed, she appears to have returned the day before the murder.
Dude, no way. The victim was a model, but did not have a large income. It appears that she had several sugar daddies. Daddies? Sugar?
Do. Ah, honey. Do.
Why are you saying that? I just found out my girlfriend's been cheating on me. Yes, older man who gave her money and gifts. I should know I was one of them. He took their money and used it to support their lifestyle. No. You didn't tell me she had OnlyFans. We clearly see what kind of woman this Miss Stone was. She was a prostitute. Tell me, Mr. Butts, what do you think of her now? Right. I don't think you want him to answer that question.
Yeah, Larry has a way of running
No, he doesn't.
all the wrong ways. Should I? Let's see what happens.
Don't do that!
We'll stop him. My client had no idea the victim was seeing other men. That question is irrelevant to this case.
Dude, Nick, what do you mean irrelevant? That chin, she-dog.
Dude, just say bitch. No one says she-dog. You moron.
I'm gonna die! I'm just gonna drop dead!
We call that.
Yeah, what I mean in the afterlife? I'm gonna get to the bottom of this!
Let's continue with the trial, shall we?
I believe the accused motive is clear to everyone.
Yes, quite.
Oh boy, this is so not looking good.
Let's go start! You went to the victim's apartment on the day of the murder, did you not? Boom. Well, did you or did you not? Well, maybe I did. And maybe I didn't. Who really knows, you know?
Uh-oh. He went. What do I do? I'll send him a signal.
I should boobies at him.
Like a dog.
Well, see, it's like this. I don't remember. You don't remember. Well then, we'll just have to remind you.
I got a bad feeling about this.
We have a witness that can prove he did go into the victim's apartment that day.
Well, that simplifies matters. Who is your witness?
The man who found the victim's body. Just before making the gruesome discovery. He saw the defendant fleeing the scene of the crime!
Dun dun dun.
Order! Order in the court! Mr. Payne, the prosecution may call its witness.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is bad.
On the day of the murder, my witness was selling newspaper at the victim's building. Please bring Mr. Frank Schwartz to the stand.
Schwat?
Sorry, I'm from Germany, France. I thought, he taught me to pronounce certain verbs, idiot. Mr. Shape, you start newspaper subscriptions, is that correct?
According to the court record, his name is Frank Sawitz. You know,
Frank
like he
Sawitz.
saw it.
Yeah, just like Winston Payne. Winston Payne.
I thought Winston Payne.
Winston Payne.
Yes, newspapers. Yes.
Say, is it?
Mr. Schutt, you may proceed with your testimony.
Sawit, he's not from German France.
Please tell the court what you saw on the day of the murder.
My voice for him is a mixture of a German accent and a French accent.
Not the judges.
No, not the judge, the Miss Winston Payne.
On that day, I saw boobies. I was going door to door selling subscriptions. I had heard some man flee the apartment. I thought maybe he must be in a hurry because he left the door and a half open behind him. Thinking it's strange, I looked inside the apartment. And then I saw her lying there, all broad, not moving, dead. I coiled in fright and found myself unable to go inside. I thought to call the police immediately. However, the phone in her apartment wasn't working. I went to a nearby park and found public phone. I remember the time exactly. It was 1 p.m.
Start a senior citizen who's afraid to die.
Man over there was without doubt the defendant sitting right over there. Larry Booty.
Larry, why didn't you tell the truth? I know I told you to lie, but why didn't you tell the truth anyway? I can't defend you against a testimony like that.
Incidentally, why wasn't this phone in the victim's apartment working?
Your Honor, at the time of the murder, there was a blackout in the building.
Aren't phones supposed to do work during a blackout?
Yes, Your Honor. However, some cordless phones do not function normally. The phone that Mr. Savit was used was one of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Advanced Society of 2016. Brought to you by 1991 was this game originally made.
Why am I hearing voices in my head? Is my schizophrenia acting up again? That anyway, I have a record of the blackout for your perusal. Save this evidence.
Blackout record added to the court record.
Now, Mr. Wright,
Yes? Yes, Your Honor?
you may begin your cross-examination.
Cross-examination, Your Honor?
All right, this is it. The real deal.
What exactly am I supposed to do?
Why, you exposed the lies in the testimony the witness just gave.
Lies? What? He was lying?
Your client is innocent, right? Then that witness must have lied in his testimony. Or is your client really guilty?
Bum.
How do I prove he's not?
You hold the key. It's in the evidence.
Mia, I don't know what you're talking about. All we have is an attorney's badge, an autopsy report, a statue, a passport, and a blackout record. None of those are a key.
Figuratively, not literally, you idiot. Compare the witness's testimony to the evidence at hand. There's bound to be a contradiction in there. First, find contradictions between the court record and the witness's testimony. Then, once you've found the contradicting evidence, present it and rub it in the witness's face.
Okay.
Touch the court record button and point out the contradictions in the testimony.
Look at my shoulders from side to side.
Alright, maybe in the next episode we'll point out the contradictions in the testimony.
What do you mean, maybe?
What do you mean, maybe?